I think what I love most about my communications program here is that I just have the ability to do so many different things, whether that's writing for the newspaper, working in the radio station, working here in the TV station. I've been able to really kind of like pick my own track and focus more on what I want to focus on. Hi, I'm Lauren. I am a junior here at NEC. I'm a communications major and I play field hockey here. I would love to end up working in sports broadcasting of some type, sideline reporting or halftime reporting, or just like being a sports director on a nightly newscast. Love the community aspect of NEC. That was like the immediate selling point for me. Was I came onto campus and we're getting a tour, and I mean, you couldn't go 5 feet without our tour guide running into someone they knew, or just someone coming in and saying hello, or walking through and, oh, well, that's my professor from this, and they're on a first name basis and having a conversation with them, and that was a really big selling factor for me. Being able to work in the TV station, when I came in my freshman year, we didn't have a TV station, and it was something that I had really kind of pushed forward. Last year we had this, and now it's a common occurrence. I'm in here several times a week, and it's just normal, which has been so great for me. I think everything that I have learned through my classes has been applied, specifically while working in here. My first ever class here was sports reporting, which is more specifically what I want to be in, and I still use stuff that I learned on the very first day of that class in here every single day, whether that's writing my scripts or just like how I'm delivering different pieces of information. I use it every single day. I think the biggest thing I have noticed is my comfort with public speaking. I just started my internship. I'm working at an indoor training facility for field hockey and also a club field hockey team, working with their social media. And that's been really exciting because I've been able to kind of explore a different part of communications that I'm not always in every single day. Our field hockey games, where we just have, over 100 people there almost every single game. I don't think you get that same feeling at other schools, even when we go away. They might have their parents or some immediate friends, but you're not seeing the whole school show up. Last year we were playing home in the semifinals, and it's the single largest crowd I've ever seen at an NEC sporting event. Up the hill, completely packed the roads, and that's just, I really love the way everyone shows up for each other. I would tell them to go into it with a very open mind, because a lot of people come in and they are either super interested in just the sports aspect of it, or super interested in the radio or writing, and maybe a little bit nervous about being on TV, or just having to be in front of a camera, having to interview people. And I think that it is nerve-wracking, and that's a valid feeling to have, but it's also really exciting. There's so much that it can do with it, building your interpersonal relationships and communication skills.